Hey there, do you have the same problem as I do? You have a pedal like this, it has no place for battery, and instead there's just this hole there. Well, what you can do, and what I did, is I made myself this little cable. It's pretty easy to do, and the parts will set you back for around €1, and some music shops actually sell them. But let's take a look inside here, and I'll tell you how you hook this up. So we have the black lead, that's the negative one, and it goes inside. So it's inside there. And then you have the red lead here, which is the positive one that you want to have on the outer side, which we usually call the sleeve, as it should be, because that's what most pedals want, minus on the inside and plus on the outside. And then when we have it soldered, we can just hook up the battery, plug it in, and we will have power. It's as simple as that. It's a really handy tool to have in case you just need to power up something fast and you don't have a power unit lying around, but you have batteries. One thing to remember is to remove the cable when you're done so you don't drain the battery. That's it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Have fun. Bye.